Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install and use Trust Wallet on your mobile device. Go to Play Store and in the search type Trust Wallet. Click on this install button and Trust Wallet will be installed on your device. Once the wallet is installed, click Open. Now we are on the first page where it says Private and Secure. Private keys never leave your device. Create new wallet. On this screen, click I have read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy and click Continue. Now you need to create your personal passcode. Now confirm this passcode again. After you've confirmed your passcode, on this screen it says Pack up your wallet now. Click on these three buttons and click Continue. Now you have your secret phrase. You need to write these 12 words to save place. After you've copied or written your secret phrase, click on this button Continue. Now you need to verify your secret phrase and enter these 12 words in correct order. When you finish entering your secret phrase, click on Done. And now we are on Trust Wallet in your mobile device. On the first screen, in this section Wallet, you have your couple of coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB and BNB Smart Chain. If you want to add some other token, you can click on this button here where it says Add Tokens. And now you can scroll down and see which token do you want to add. So, for example, I will add Ethereum Classic. So, here is Ethereum Classic. Click on this button and Ethereum Classic will be added to your home screen. On the same page, you have Send, Receive, Buy and Swap button. On Send, you can send funds from your wallet. On the Receive button, you can receive any type of coins you want to receive. So, if you choose Ethereum, you will get your wallet address and others can send you Ethereum to this address. On this Buy button, if you click, you can buy any of these coins. So if you choose Bitcoin, now you have a couple of options how you want to buy Bitcoin. MoonPay, RAM and some other options. In the swap section, you can swap Ethereum and other coins for something else. In the second button Discover, you can find different options like staking, DeFi tokens, lending, smart chains and other stuff. If you want to stake some coin, just click on this arrow and you can see which coin you can stake in the Trust Wallet. If you choose Polkadot, you can see that you have Send button, Receive button and Stake button. You can directly stake Polkadot in this Trust Wallet. In the next field, Browser, you can browse to some different options like new dApps, DeFi section, Popular, Smart Chain and some other stuff. In the next field, Settings, you can change your settings for your wallet. So you can click on this dark mode and the wallet will be set in dark mode. This was a quick guide how to install and use Trust Wallet on your mobile device.